This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Mary Ross Ellsworth. One owner original, Home-A-Rama all brick home. Hardwood floors throughout West/4 modern, updated full baths. An award-winning kitchen with commercial appliances, and granite and quartz countertops on the island. New no-maintenance front columns/railings adorn the terrazzo front porch, while a custom deck, with hot tub and enclosed gazebo, with 2 sitting areas, glassed-in porch and a custom 10x15 shed/art studio/workshop are in the back. Impeccably maintained, must be seen to appreciate. Resort-style community elevates living to an art form. Full-time activities director ensures a calendar filled with engaging events, the clubhouse, swimming pools, tennis/pickleball courts, and a golf course provide an array of opportunities for entertainment and socializing with neighbors, or bring your kayak or paddle boat to our pier and hit the water. This is not just a home, it's a lifestylean invitation to embrace the epitome of luxury living in the heart of the Riverfront waterfront golf community. For more information, review the details below.